This man was the chosen one. His overseeing eyes and his unwavering omnipotence, no god or man could stand in his way. He struck fear into his enemies not by flaunting his power or anything of the sort. When these 4 words are uttered, not a soul can stand before this being. He announces to the heavens and earth, enough time has passed.
You better die, 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 you better die.
Are you telling me I just woke up, yeah? They updated yesterday, no one told me. No one told me! This monkey, yeah, he got 2 new moves. Turbine Barrage and Soundbreaker. I'ma just check all of it out. I haven't even used them once. So yeah, it's gonna be new for me. No! No! Yeah! I got it. Let me go. Oh, no. Hey, boy! Where are you aiming at? Woo! Oh! Let me just over you! Right into that! Where'd he go? It's right here. Oh, finish. Yo, bro. How did you miss? Finish her. Okay. How did I? Okay. Oh my god, his boyfriend. Bro! Why is he giving the kill? You can't have a It's over. Why do you waste the counter? Why'd you waste the counter? Why'd you waste the counter? I baited you! Break up! Oh no, but why is he doing? Yeah, this guy. Oh! Calculated that, man. I can't believe it. Can't beat. Let's go, yeah. 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 What is the wrong